We finally got the loops for my wife. Not for me because I don't need them, but my wife needed them. Why? Because two things. So number one, I do like to go to the movie theater when they're putting like a really loud movie, and she likes going to the movie theater with me, but she doesn't like the loud sounds. So we got the loop for that. And also I do like electronic music. So sometimes we go to festivals, sometimes we go to concerts and things like that. And she loves going with me, but she doesn't like too much of the loudness of the music. So we got the loops for her, and she say that it's a before and after. Let me show it to you in a close. I'm gonna try to recreate what the feeling that you have when you're using these loops. So these are the Quiet 2. As you can see, comes with multiple adapters for the size of your ear. And these are the loops right here. And you basically put them in your ears, just kind of like inside, press them a little bit. And remember, this I made of a really nice silicone, so it's not gonna cause you any restraint or something like that. And the feeling that you're gonna have is something like this. So let's say that we are in a public restroom or something like that. It's pretty loud, right? So this happens when you put up these loops. It gets quieter. You can still experience everything, but the sound and the loudness of the sound and the voice of the people and traffic and sound and music get loud, it's not gonna bother you. It's not gonna bother you at all. So that's gonna be kind of like the difference using these loops. These are the Quiet 2. She say that they're fantastic. I try them. I think this for people that doesn't actually enjoy those type of things is gonna be a before and after.